I'm right here in the garage with the next free Craftsman project. The other one is right out there behind that mower deck. I took that engine off, put it on the zombie machine. That's the deck that wants to go under Troy number 6. Anyway, on this one, I don't know anything about it except there's a dent in the hood. I don't remember what he said about this one. I know it needs another gas tank. If you look in this gas tank where the hose hooks up, it's completely gone. There's no nipple for the hose. So I gotta get the tank off the other Craftsman and replace this one. I guess clean the carburetor, put a battery in it, pour some gas in it, see what happens. Oh, and these tires, that's just a joke. Those go on the Poland. I gotta find some hubs. And then the Poland's getting a new look. This one is a 6-speed, 21 horse Briggs. The guy took, this is what I remember now, the guy took the muffler off of it so that muffler guard in the front's all bent up. He said it's loud now, which I'm okay with that. And I'm thinking about firing it up, see how good it mows. I know the deck has a hole in it here. I don't think I care. That's just more grass shooting out. I do like the part about the tires stay aired up on it. It does steer. I'm ready to figure out what's going on with it. And if you're wondering, 21 horse Intech YS 4500. It is quick update. The first thing I did, I took the carburetor off. I poured all the old gas out of it. I'm going to take it back on and see if it'll run. Then I took the gas tank off. I've been cleaning some dirt out of there. It's really dirty. I may get the water hose and wash it first. And the problem with the gas tank, there's nowhere to hook a hose. Good gas tank other than that. So I got to find a substitute gas tank, put some gas in it, put the carburetor back on. Oh, I put a battery in it, but the battery's dead, so I got the charger on it. Here's what the battery's doing. It wants to. I might just let it charge all night. I would keep working on it now, but the wife, she's got some chicken wings ready, and I don't turn down chicken wings. So I'm going to put this on hold, and we'll get back to it probably tomorrow. And that one wants to go first. I've just rubbed the gas tank out of the Poland. I'm going to use it temporarily. And I took the water hose and sprayed out some of the dirt under here. Hard to see. There it is. Anyway, I'm going to put it together, see if it'll fire off. The carburetor's back on. Let's see what it does. Sounds like it's time for a starter rebuild. Hang on just a minute. So the starter's now off. It's 2 bolts and a wire from your battery. Then your 5/16, take out these 2 bolts. And I can feel the starter's hot from where I was trying to use it. That means it needs to be rebuilt. And it's hard to spin. So basically, for me, rebuilding it, you just take it apart, clean it up, and grease it. Put some grease back here. Okay, slight change of plans. This is the starter off the zombie mower. When it blew up, I saved the starter. Now we're going to try this one. It's almost ready to go. Might be carburetor clean time. Okay, we're going to clean the carburetor down and we'll be riding. The carburetor's all cleaned up and ready to go back together. I'm going to put it on and we'll see what it does. It is time to drain this oil, or should you call it gas, mostly gas, and ice trays catch the oil good. So I just came back from the store going to get oil change supplies, and it must be my lucky day. They had oil filters on sale, $5 each. The solenoids were $7 each. I got 2 of those. I think John Deere wants one. I know the Zombie wants one. The oil change is now done. I'm going to fire it up, see if it'll run. The cowling is now back on the engine. Everything looks good. There's only one problem. This stud is broke off from the plastic. There is an air filter. That'll stay on while we ride. I just got to get the hood on and figure out why the blades aren't coming on. We'll be good to go. I just took the deck off the mower and discovered a couple problems. Hang on a second, I'll show you. Here's the deck. There's a couple big holes in the center. I think I could fix those. I've got a MIG. There's a big hole here. I already knew about it. This idler pulley is locked up. This one's good. That one's good. That one's good. Everything's good except for that idler pulley, these holes, and when we go underneath, everything looks pretty decent. One little hole there, 2 big holes here, a big hole down there, and the blades. That'd be about a 3-inch mohawk in the center. So new blades and patch a couple holes and an idler pulley. Looks like somebody's already been patching on it. Anyway, restoring the deck might be part 2 of getting my second free Craftsman running. For now, let's go riding. Oh, and it is super muddy, and I've got turf tires. They may need to be swapped out. There's a shot of the 25-horse Husky that needs to be fired up next. And I got to try to get through this mud just to get out of my backyard. This is the rainy season. It is speed check time. Idled all the way down in first gear. We're doing 0 miles an hour. I guess we should see what the top speed is. Here are some of my mud mowers still lined up in the front yard. And that red one on the end, I think it wants to be a mud mower. I was thinking of making a mower out of it, but the deck needs work. If you want to make a mud mower, you just put tires on the back of it and you're good to go. Pulley swap it. And it smokes. Who wants to mow grass with something that's smoking? I know a lot of you, I need your vote. A lot of you are going to say make a mower out of it and sell it. That'll give you some money to buy more mowers or mower parts. I get that. But I don't know if anybody wants to buy a smoking mower. I need to rebuild the engine, rebuild the deck, then make a mower out of it. or make a mutter? Leave your vote right now. Oh, and over in the truck bed trailer, shout out to Jared. I saw his mower on Facebook. It's got a chrome stack on it, and he gave me a chrome stack. He said he's got another one, I can have it. He also gave me these bed frames. I've got some projects in mind. That aluminum angle iron and these 4 pieces of diamond plate. I gotta show you the video of his. His is just like mine. Mine is a it's a YS4500. His is a YS4500, but his is a automatic. Check out this video clip of his with the chrome stack. Not only that, he's got another chrome tip. Show us that. So we're going to try to do that on one of ours, on one of mine. What was your name again? Shout out to?
Jared.
Jared.